Welcome to the Midwest Telecom tutorial on how to view your company's call detail report. Your CDR, also known as your calls log, displays all incoming and outgoing calls made to and from your business phone system. To start, head on over to the Midwest Telecom portal and log into your account. On the main menu to the left, click Reports, then select CDR. Enter the date range for the calls you would like to review. Type the extension number in the From and/or To fields. Leave these fields blank to view calls dialed from and received by all extensions. Select the status or leave it preset to all. Then click the search icon to see your calls log. Be mindful that answered calls include voicemail messages that have been made from or received by the extension. If you have activated the call recording feature, you can listen to any answered call. Check the box to the left of the call you would like to listen to, then click Listen. To activate the call recording feature, contact NWT support. There you have it. How to view your company's call detail report. Still need help? Give us a call or send an email. We're here for you. And thanks for choosing Midwest Telecom for your business communication needs.